today let's understand what is search engine optimization. Search engine optimization is basically a process aimed at improving websites visibility to drive organic traffic from search engine to our website. Right now, search engine optimization is of three types: page SEO, off-page SEO, and technical SEO. What is on-page SEO? On-page SEO is all the process that we do on our website only. Example, keyword research is included in on-page SEO, the content optimization, image optimization, these which when we optimize is visible to the users. That is on-page SEO. Now, what is off-page SEO? Off-page SEO is all the techniques that we do outside of our website. For example, backlinking. Okay, backlinking means the link that we share on others' website. When we share the link of our website on others' website like social media platforms and others, that is known as off-page SEO. And technical SEO is when we deal with the technicalities of the website, like the site structure, okay, robots.txt file updation, mobile optimization, website speed optimization. These things are included in technical SEO. Okay, so we'll understand these things in details later.